Hey everyone, today I'm diving into how ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organisation, is revolutionising sustainability in space exploration. If you're passionate about sustainability and love space tech, you're in for a treat. ISRO has been a trailblazer not just in exploring space, but in doing so sustainably. Let's start with their launch vehicles. The Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, or PSLV, is a perfect example. It's known for its efficiency and reliability, but did you know it's also incredibly eco-friendly? The PSLV uses a combination of solid and liquid fuels that are carefully engineered to minimize environmental impact. This means fewer pollutants are released during launches, making it one of the greenest rockets out there. Now let's talk materials. ISRO has made significant strides in using indigenous materials. By sourcing components locally, they not only cut costs, but also reduce the carbon footprint associated with transportation. Imagine the emissions saved when rocket parts don't have to be shipped halfway around the world. Plus, local sourcing supports the regional economy, creating a sustainable ecosystem. ISRO also recycles and reuses components wherever possible. For instance, the heat shields used in their rockets are designed to be reusable, which significantly reduces waste. And let's not forget about their satellite systems. ISRO's satellites are built to last longer and function efficiently, reducing the need for frequent launches and thus conserving resources. Innovation doesn't stop at launch. ISRO is pioneering the use of green propellants for their future missions. These propellants are less toxic and safer for the environment, aligning perfectly with global sustainability goals. It's not just about reaching the stars, it's about doing so responsibly. Another fascinating aspect is ISRO's collaboration with international space agencies. By sharing technology and resources, they foster a culture of sustainability in the global space community. This collaborative spirit ensures that advancements benefit all of humanity while keeping our planet's health in check. And here's a fun fact. ISRO's Mars Orbiter mission, also known as Mangalyaan, is one of the most cost-effective interplanetary missions ever. It showcases how resourcefulness and sustainability go hand in hand. The mission's success with such a low budget underscores ISRO's commitment to doing more with less, an essential principle of sustainability. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that ISRO is not just exploring space, but also championing a sustainable future for space exploration. Their innovative approaches can inspire other space agencies to adopt more eco-friendly practices, making space exploration a greener endeavor. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this dive into ISRO's sustainable practices, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more insights on sustainable living and technology. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars sustainably.